Oi gente, bem-vindo de volta ao meu canal. Então, alguns de vocês querem um vídeo sobre a pronúncia do som em inglês, TH em inglês. Então, eu pensei em praticar com palavras que têm esse som. E então, let's get started. So, real quick, let's just practice this sound a bit more before we look at the words. So, there's two stages to this sound that you should know. The first thing that you should do is to stick your tongue out slightly and make sure it touches the base of your teeth like this. And as you're doing that, you want to gently blow out of your mouth. So you'll get something like, so my tongue is touching my teeth. As I'm doing that, I'm just blowing gently a sound. And you want your mouth to be not like that or closed, but just slightly open. Almost like you're smiling, but not quite smiling, just a... That's the first part. Now, the second part, simple. You're going to get that tongue that's out and just slide it back into your mouth. And you're continuing to blow out of your mouth as you're making that movement. And as you do that, you should get the sound. Yeah, that sounded a bit like a snake, but so you're blowing out and sucking it back in. So it's super simple. If you find it difficult to pronounce this sound, it's also very common that people pronounce the sound as an F. So you can pronounce it as. So for example, a word like think could be pronounced as think. So there's two ways really to pronounce this. The correct way, which would be the tricky, and the other way, which is a bit more casual, more common, would be. So if you find it difficult to pronounce, you could also just go like. So during this video, I'm going to give you some examples of pronouncing it the way and the way. So look out for that. But let's get back to the video. Agora vamos olhar em 10 palavras que têm esse som em inglês. O primeiro grupo de 5 palavras começam com esse som e o segundo grupo de 5 palavras terminam com esse som. Então, vamos começar com o primeiro grupo e a primeira palavra é thick, thick, ou thick, thick. The polar bear has thick fur, or the polar bear has thick fur. Thin, thin, or thin, thin. The walls are thin, or the walls are thin. 3, 3, or 3, 3. The wedding cake has 3 tiers, or the wedding cake has 3 tiers. Thrill, thrill, or thrill, thrill. I love the thrill of going on a roller coaster. Or I love the thrill of going on a roller coaster. Throb, throb, or throb, throb. I have a headache and my head is throbbing. Or I have a headache and my head is throbbing. E o próximo grupo de 5 palavras terminam com o som. Então, vamos olhar em como pronunciar essas palavras. Cloth, cloth, ou cloth, cloth. Use a damp cloth to wipe the counter, ou use a damp cloth to wipe the counter. Fifth, fifth, ou fifth, fifth. This is my fifth slice of cake, or this is my fifth slice of cake. Tenth, tenth, or tenth, tenth. I came 10th in the race, or I came 10th in the race. Length, or length, length. I walked the length of the beach, or I walked the length of the beach. Strength, strength, or strength, strength. Save your strength for later, ou save your strength for later. Então, só isso por hoje. Me fale se esse vídeo te ajudou a entender mais sobre esse som em inglês. E muito obrigada por assistir o meu vídeo e até o próximo. Tchau!